Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whenever you all are watching this. I'm here to introduce you to my Jira for Management course, or Jira for Managers, this playbook for leading Agile teams using Jira software. So what to expect in the course? So our course objectives are to understand and level set on the basics of Agile teaming, and how Jira supports team collaboration and management activities. Understand how to configure and manage project or product teams or hybrid teams within Jira. Then we're going to dive deep into creating and analyzing reports and dashboards for managing team success and improving performance. We're going to scale from there. Different from my up and running training, we're going to scale up and talk about planning, managing, understanding cross-team projects, dependencies. We'll dig a little bit into advanced roadmaps for creating capacity planning and scaling Jira for your organization. Then we're going to take all that we've learned and think about the different tools that Jira has, the different integrations that are available, data insights for leading multiple teams, and really giving you the best of not only just Jira tool suite, but the best integrations for helping you guys manage your teams. This is the playbook, a little bit more of a deeper dive on how are we going to actually meet those course objectives. So the first part is kind of this introduction to Jira, introduction to Agile, introducing how to create your first Jira projects within a cloud environment. Then we're going to expand from there. We're going to talk about how do we manage project work in Agile? What are epics, user stories, and different workflows that we can configure for our organization? And how do I start to create my project or my product or my team backlog? We're going to dive a little bit deeper into reporting and looking at how do I create dashboards for managing teams and for decision making. And then finally, we're going to end with scaling Jira. How do I go beyond just this software teaming space and potentially look at other integrations, knowledge management, creating art and portfolio hierarchies? How do I start to really get the best of the tool that I'm using today? Thank you all for listening, and I look forward to having you in the class.